This is a quick video of me disassembling the Cinelog 30 to replace the antenna. In this Cinelog 30 I have a Walksnail Avatar V2 VTX. I love it. It's actually pretty good. I actually like the 350 milliwatts on the smaller VTX I have in here. This is the Avatar V1 Light VTX. And it's nice, decased and everything. Took the heatsink off. All right. So there's the antenna. This is one downside about this mounting method. You got to take everything off in order to get to the antenna, because the antenna is held down with an extra nut and an extra bolt that go through the entire VTX. So you have to be able to see the VTX in its entirety to get to it. And there's your nut. And here's your bolt. And if your fingers are strong, you can just hold it down. Take off your bolt and nut. And I think you can get away with just loosening this one. See? And there you expose your antenna. This is the TrueRc Singularity with tube long. I like it. It's just a little bit long for my purposes. Going back to the Singularity with tube short. And there's a type of connector on the back of this that gives a little bit of a problem. Because of this connector, it won't fit inside this space. But removing it is quite easy. You just put some pressure on this connector here, and then you can stick your tweezers or needle nose up in there and bend these pins out the way, or these edges. And once you do that, that lets you get all up in here and just kind of bend it away. And after you bend it away, it should just wiggle off. Sometimes you need to open up these arms right here to help it out. Of course, it's so easy. There it is. All right. So now we got our Singularity with tube short. We stick her in the hole. And I like to align it like that so the logo looks all cool and stuff. And remember how I said you could just loosen that one and it's still there? See, it jumped off. That makes it more difficult, so I guess you can't just loosen it. Sometimes I find I need a little tool or something to help me press down this UFL connectors, because I don't want to damage them, but by the same token, especially like in a setup like this where it's below the surface of a case, you have to put a significant amount of pressure in a small area. It's easy. Easy, right? All right, and after that, we just stick this little cover back on. I'm just gonna hold a nut there with my finger. Yeah, they don't need to be super duper tight. Just get them on there. Got the VTX remounted. Just giving all these screws a little bit more of a tighten here. I'm using a 1.5 millimeter X driver. The low light capabilities of the Avatar V1 camera, which is what I have down there. I have the Avatar V1 Light, or Nano, I believe. That's the right word. The light one is the other one. But yeah, the low light capabilities are just off the charts. I love that camera for that, and so it makes indoor shooting a dream. You know, any kind of low light situation you're able to see. Whereas with something like the Pro camera or the 03, their low light performance is just subpar. I'm really excited about the 04. Now they're talking about 8 grams, 8.6 grams. That's superb. That's stunning. That's exciting. All right, there it is. She went from a big gal to a short little thing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. I'll put the little chubby over there, and we'll whip this out just for fun. What do you think? I think I know. I think it's like a 3.35 grams, something like that. Can he balance it? Yes, he can. 3.0. That's respectable. 3.0 is respectable. But if we open up this one, we'll see 2.1. So a whole gram, 0.9 grams difference. Do you need this extra length is the question. When you're flying, you just need to get over the battery, and that's getting over the battery, right? The battery and the camera. So yeah, that's right there. I think I'm okay with this. I think I'm okay with it. And I'll take the extra gram because this whole bird with a 450 milliamp hour battery is sub 250. Right now she's at 248. So with that extra grams of savings, she's at 247. And I'm going to reprint this in my own style, and I should be able to save off another probably half a gram at least. I love the way this matchstick looks. I love the way this matchstick looks. It looks so mean. I really don't want to switch it to this, which looks so pedestrian comparatively. But I think I'm going to, because I'm a weight monster. I want every gram I can save. So I think that's going to happen with that. And this one, she's forever long. I mean, look at that. I mean, yeah, no. So I guess I'll do this one next. Oh, the reason why I'm waiting on this one is because once I get it open, maybe I just want to do the motor swap. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me take out this antenna and replacing it with this antenna. They're both TrueRc Singularities. This is the UFL left-hand circular polarized short with tube, or I guess the regular length, and this is the long. Like, comment, subscribe, and hey, have a great day.